Hey, guess what? Mr. Rich here with some auto tips. Okay, what I have here, 2019 Nissan Rogue. Okay, what we're gonna do today? Try to install struts in it. So I got this one side struts in already. All right, so check it out. New strut. I'm gonna about to put the other one in and show you how we're gonna do it. Okay, this is how I do it. Set it up. Make sure you put a chisel inside here. The chisel between. Alright. Right here. Let's see if I can show you here. Like, make sure you line this up. This little pin over here, my finger go. This pin here. Line up. And make sure this piece line up. Right here. So this go right into that groove here. So let's see what we can do. Alright, check it out. Once you spread it open, you can just push it up. Alright, so let me see. I'm gonna put the camera down here. And as you can see that here. I think the light is in the way. Alright, so check it out. I have it there line up. And watch over there, we're gonna have it right here. Big screwdriver, put it under here. And lift it up. Ready? Right in. So it goes in. Alright, just out of it. You got to turn just a little. It's there. Let's see how far you go. I can't see it. Let me get a light. Okay, I got to turn a little. Pin not line up properly, so I got to turn them more. A little more. I got to turn the strut. Alright, let me turn the strut. Let's see what happens. Don't put a chip there, then you will have some problems. Gotta spread open a little. Alright, so right there we line it up, so you gotta drop into that hole, so I gotta lift it up now. Let me lift it up and see. Alright. That's it. Okay, so stay tuned for the next one.